Hello students, in our last video we have studied about some basic terms and definitions of lesson 6. So by using this concept we will start our exercise 6.1. What is the first question? In the following figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. So see in your figure, this is your line AB and CD. So these two lines are intersecting at O. Okay, so if angle AOC plus angle BOE, this angle AOC plus angle BOE is given as 70 degree, then you are to find which one? Now wait, another angle is also given to you, angle BOD is 40 degree. So now you are to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So first let's find out angle COE. How will you do? So since you will start like this, since AB is your straight line, since AB is a straight line, since AB is a straight line, so which angle you will take? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is given to you. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB equal to 180 degree we can write. As in your last time I have told you that sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Now from here what can we write? We can write like this, angle AOC plus angle BOE. We can bring it together as this one is given to you, plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. Now you can put here the value, angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. Then what will be your value of angle COE? Angle COE equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Okay. So how much will come? 0, 8 minus 7 is 1, 110 degree. Now this one we have only find out angle COE, but in your question you are to find out reflex angle COE. So what is reflex angle? Reflex angle is the angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, so reflex angle COE equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree will be coming how much? 360 degree minus 110 degree, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 1, 5 and 3 minus 1, 2. So answer is 250 degree. Now we will find out angle BOE. So how will you do? You will start like this. Since AB and CD intersect at O, okay? Since AB and CD intersect at O, then we can get here angle AOC plus angle BOD is your vertically opposite angle. So you will write here angle AOC equal to angle BOD since vertically opposite angle. That day I have told you about vertically opposite angles also. So how will you write? Angle AOC equal to angle BOD vertically opposite angle. Now your angle BOD is given. Okay. So but angle BOD equal to how much was given in your question? 40 degree. So since angle BOD is 40 degree, angle AOC will also be 40 degree. Now you will find out angle BOE. Okay. So how angle A, from there you in your question you have the value of angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree given to you in your question. By taking this one you can find out angle BOE. Okay, angle AOC is 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Then angle BOE will be how much? 70 degree minus 40 degree equal to 30 degree. Okay. So we have find out both. So therefore you will write angle BOE equal to 30 degree and reflex angle COE equal to 250 degree. Okay. Now question number 2. In the following figure, lines XY and MN. Okay. XY and MN is intersecting at O. If angle POY. Now angle POY is given as 90 degree. And what is given? Your ratio of A is to B is given 2 is to 3. You are to find C. Okay. So how will you find? If we find this one, then we will can write that these two are vertically opposite angles. Then we can easily find out C. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to find this one. A is to B is given to you. So we can find the value of A. Then we can tell that this and these are vertically opposite angles. Then we can easily find out C. So how we will do? Since like before you will start. Here since XOY is a straight line. Okay, since XOY is a straight line, then what we can write? Angle B plus angle A plus angle POY plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. These two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Then what we can write? Angle B plus angle A and angle POY is your 90 degree given. Then 180 degree. So angle B plus angle A will be equal to how much? 90 degree. Okay. Now from here we can find angle A as the ratio is given as 2 is to 3. Okay. So angle A equal to what can we write? 90 degree by 2 plus 3 into 2. So how much? 90 degree 2 plus 3 is 5 into 2. Now you will cancel. 5 ones are 5 and 5 8s are 40. So 18 twos are 36 degree. Okay. So angle A is 36 degree. Okay. Okay. Now I told you that these two are vertically opposite angles. So we have find out angle A. So we can write angle C equal to angle A plus angle POY. Okay. So angle C equal to angle A we have find out already 36 degree plus angle POY is 90 degree. So how much? 36 plus 90 is 126 degree. So your angle C has come. Angle C is 126 degree. Now question number 3. In the following figure, angle PQR equal to angle PRQ is given. You are to prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. This angle is equal to this angle. So how will you start? Like before only. Since ST is a straight line. Okay. So what will be your adjacent angles? PQR, angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180 degree. Okay. Similarly, what can you write? Angle PRT plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degree. Okay. So give this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2, what can we write? Angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Okay. So it is already given that angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. So since angle PQR equal to angle from this equation what do we get? Angle PQS plus angle PQ1 will become as angle PRQ equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Okay, so PRQ and PRQ will get cancelled, so we get therefore angle PQS equal to angle PRT. So it is proved. In the following figure, x plus y equal to w plus z is given. You are to prove AOB is a line. AOB is a line. And x plus y equal to w plus z is given to you. Okay. So, how we will start? You know that sum of all the angles is equal to how much? 360 degree. So, we will start like this. Sum of all angles at a point is 360 degree. Okay, so x plus y plus w plus z equal to how much? 360 degree. Now since x plus y equal to w plus z is given, so we can write here x plus y plus x plus y equal to 360 degree since w x plus y equal to w plus z is given. Okay, so this one will come what? 2x plus y equal to 360 degree. So x plus y equal to how much? 360 degree divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0. So answer x plus y equal to comes how much? 180 degree. So if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then it is proved AOB will be a straight line. So therefore AOB is a line. Okay, now you will do yourself question number 5 and 6.